Hey everybody, I'm Asheley Helton, the Manager of Technical and Training here at EasyGo. I'm here to answer your questions. Between our customer satisfaction surveys, advisory boards, and our call center, we have a running list of commonly asked questions. If you have questions you want answered, drop them in the comments for the next episode. With EasyGo's Elite lithium battery powered by Samsung SDI technology, zero battery maintenance is required. As long as your battery is charged, you can just get in and go. For our gas models, EasyGo's feature easy to maintain engines and less wear parts for a longer lasting ride. And luckily for EasyGo owners, our dealer network is unmatched and can provide support anywhere you are. Tires are designed both for style and use. You can always swap out the base tires for another option, but ensure to work with your dealer to find the right one for the places you'll be driving your EasyGo. Having the right tires for the right situations ensures a higher quality ride. If you're looking for a new set of tires, reach out to your dealer or browse EasyGo's options on shopeasygo.com. Like the tires, golf carts perform better in their intended setting. While you should always speak with your dealer on your exact needs before purchasing your golf cart, here's a quick cheat sheet. EasyGo boasts a network of over 400 certified technicians and dealers that are trained to answer any of your questions. You can find your nearest authorized dealer at easygo.com/dealers. If there are any questions our dealers can answer, we've got your back. With an average wait time of only 35 seconds, our in-house call center is ready to help you. You can contact us at easygo.com/customers or by calling 1-800-241-5855. Thanks for spending the time with me today. I hope you found these answers helpful, and don't forget to drop any other questions you have in the comments. We'll see you next time on Ask Ashley.